Now question number 6 in exercise 8.2. That the question number 6 is during a sale a shop offered to discount, here the new word is a discount, to the 10% of the market price of all the items, that what is the who the customer have may pay a pair of one jeans is 450 and two shirt, there are two shirt will be purchased and the each rate of each shirt is 850. okay, the discount is means a relieve the amount. okay, so that you start first to now solve. okay, now rate of discount of all items is 10%, it is the 10%. okay, then the market price of jeans, okay, is rate of 1450 rupees. okay, and second we market price of shirt is rate of 850 rupees is each. okay, and they will purchase a two shirt. okay, so that you find market price of two shirt is 850 into 2 is equal to rate of how much is 1700. The market price of the two shirt is 1700, and then you find a discount of 10% of one pair of jeans. okay, now discount, okay, then discount of on a pair jeans, first is a jeans is 14 of how many 10%, this is the 10%. okay, it's mean 1450 into 10 upon 100, 0 0 cancel, and then it's mean 145 is rupees of 145. okay, it's mean you find SP of one pair of jeans is SP is equal to CP, because discount is minus plus, discount is of the amount, is means minus discount. okay, it's mean CP is a 1450 minus is 145, it's mean is 1305, it's mean rupees of 1305, 1305 of the SP of jeans. okay, then next will be come a find SP of shirt, so that is a discount on shirt of 2 shirt, 1 shirt nahi 2 shirt is 10%. It's mean the rate of test is rupees of 1700 of 10%. Okay, 1700 is 10% means 17 into 10 upon 100, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, it's 170. It's mean rupees of 170 is a discount of 2 pair of shirt. After the find the discount of 2 shirt is 170 rupees. So that is the sale price. The cost price is sale price of cost CP, because it is the discount. So that you minus discount, and CP is a 2 shirt is 1700 minus 170. That is the rate of is SP of 2 shirt. SP of 2 shirt is 1530. Okay, and the question asks total all over. So you find the total SP. Total SP means the SP of 1 jeans plus SP of 2 shirts. Okay, the 1 shirt is 1 jeans is 1305 rupees, and plus 2 shirt is 1530 rupees, and after the sum G 5382, it's mean total SP they are paid is total sale price after the 10% discount. The total SP is 2835 rupees. So a milkman sold of the 2 buffalo of 20,000 each. A milkman sold of the buffaloes for the 20,000 rupees each. Okay, it means 2 buffalo will be sold and each rate of 20,000. On one of the made is 5% gain, is one is after the sold he overall sold, then first will be 5% gain and another buffalo is a 10% loss. Then find the SP of each buffalo. Okay, so then start. A milkman sold a 2 buffalo of the 20,000. Okay, so now write the SP of each buffalo. Which buffalo is rupees 20,000. Okay, and SP of 2 buffalo. 2 buffaloes is 20,000 into 2 is equal to rate of 40,000 rupees. Okay, it is the SP of 2 buffalo. SP of 2 buffalo, and the first is a 5% here after sold the 5% gain. So that you write is 1 buffalo is sold, 1 buffalo sold is 1 buffalo sold on how many percent gain is 5% gain. Then be 5% gain is sold at 5% gain. Okay, 5% gain, then let CP is a cost price short form is CP. Let cost price of CP of 1 buffalo is x. Then be SP, according to question, SP is equal to CP plus gain. SP is equal to CP plus gain. Here the question is given that SP is equal to CP plus is gain form of is 5%. Gain will be given is 5%. 5%. Okay. A. Clear? Then you write SP is a buffalo is 20,000 is equal to CP is a x plus x of 5%. X of 5%. Then after x of 5% is 20,000 is equal to x plus is x into 5 upon 100. X into 5 upon 100. After cancellation is 1 upon 20, 1 upon 20, and after LCM you get LCM is 20 is 20x plus here is the 1x, only write the x, okay, is the 20,000, okay. Then be 20,000 is equal to 21x upon 20, where is the value of x is a CP of 1 buffalo, okay. Then x is equal to is 20,000 into 20 upon 21 is equal to x. X of the x is a cost price of the first buffalo. Then we multiply is 1 2 3 4 5 upon 21 is equal to x. Then we divide the number, then divide is 4 lakh divided by 21 is the 2 times, only 1 times is 21. After with the 19 is the 0, okay. Then is 9 times, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, is after cancellation is 1, here to 0, they are not divided, to put the 0, okay. Then next 0 is 4 times is 84, 84 after 16, the next 0, okay. Then 160 is to divide the 7 times, 7 times 7 to the 14, 174, and remaining is 10 to the 30, 13 is the lowest, to put the point and 0, okay. Then be 6 times, because 7 to the 14 is 6 1 is 6, 6 to 126, okay. Then come is 126 is 4 and put 0, they will 40 is 1 time, you write the 2 times, they are the whole. It means that the sold a is the cost price of one buffalo is 19,047.62. After find the cost price of first buffalo, it's add the 5% gain, you find the another buffalo. Let another buffalo buffalo, another buffalo is sold at 10% loss. 10% loss means is a sub. Now SP is equal to, according to question, is SP is equal to CP minus loss. Okay, and CP is equal to, is given that loss percentage form is 10%. Okay, so right, CP is a again 20,000. Okay, that CP is, suppose first will here let the cost price of another buffalo is Y. Okay, they find the another cost price of another buffalo is Y. Okay, so then Y is equal to Y minus, here to minus, is Y of 10%, Y of 10%. Okay, and find the cost price of second buffalo. You have 20,000 is 20,000 is equal to Y minus Y into 10 upon 100, 0 0 cancel. It is right that Y minus Y upon 10, after LCM you have 10, and 10Y minus Y is equal to 9 upon 10 Y, 9 upon 10 Y. It's there as 20,000 is alright, right. It means last statement is 20,000 is equal to 9 upon 10 Y, and this is there is 20,000 is equal to 9 upon 10 Y. Okay, now start that find the value of Y, because Y is a another cost price of second buffalo is 20,000 into 10 upon 9 is equal to Y. Okay, that is the 2 lakh upon 9 is equal to Y. Okay, in the solve is 20,000 2 lakhs divided by 9. Okay, then 9 to the 18 is 2, here to 0, 9 to the 18 again 0 is to put the 2 and 0, 9 to the 18 is 2, here to 0. Okay, then 9 to the 18 again to 0, the point of 0 is 2 time is 18 is 2, to put the 0 and 2, they are repeated number of 2 2. Okay, the 2, write the 2 times of decimal number, that value of Y is how many times? 5 times 2 is 22. Okay, so first the cost price of first buffalo, and you find total cost. Now total CP is a CP of first buffalo plus CP of second, another second buffalo. Okay, so the right first buffalo is what's the cost price of first buffalo? Cost price of the first buffalo is 19,047.62, and second buffalo is a 22,222.2020, and after addition is the total CP. Total CP is 41269.84 the rupees is a total CP. Okay, total CP. Then write the, you find the total gain or loss. Okay, so this is a total. Okay, and you write there, therefore here it is loss. It is loss. Why it is loss? Because SP, okay, SP is a less than CP. So that is the loss is equal to CP minus SP. Then the CP is a 41269.84 is the given the total CP, minus is total CPA SP is a 40,000. Okay, after the subtraction is 1269.84. It is the loss. Okay, so this is the answer of your total transaction. You have a milk is a total transaction is the find the is loss of 1269 rupees. Question number 8. The price of the TV is 13,000 rupees. Of 13,000 his sale tax of charge. It is a new word of sale tax on the this is a rate of 12%. The rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will be paid. Pay is the wage. Okay, the new word is a sale tax. Sale tax is a different type of tax. Is a sale tax is add of the CP, is a add in the cost price, then after to the sale price. Okay, the let is a 13,000 is a given that the CP. So you write the cost. Okay, you write cost price of TV is rupees of 13,000. Okay, cost price of TV is 13,000 and sales tax rate is 12%. Sale tax rate is 12%. Okay, then you find let the sale price means SP of TV is rupees of X. Okay, and according to question is SP is equal to CP plus tax. The different types of tax, sale tax, okay, sale tax, VAT, GST, they all types of the tax is including of CP. Then after the selling price, so they are SP is given 13,000 plus tax of sale tax is 13,000 of 12%. Tax is on the CP. Okay, all tax on only CP. Okay, so that right solve is SP. Now we write the SP is equal to 13,000 plus 13 into 12 upon 100. The 20 cancel. Then write the SP is equal to 13,000 plus is 12 multiply 130 multiply 12. 130 multiply 12. You write the 13,000 plus, after multiplication you write the 1560. Okay, and after this addition is 14560. It's mean the SP of TV is a rate of 14,560 rupees. It's mean its rate in the Vinod will be, we have the pay is 14,560 rupees. Okay. 9 is Arun borrowed a pair of skate at the sale, and where are the discount given the 20%. It's a given the discount of 20%. Discount is minus of market price. Okay, and amount will pay the 1600 rupees is the pay. Find the market price. Okay, this is the add after discount. They are pay the after discount. This amount will be after pay after discount. To find the without discount price. Okay, so here given that is the amount will be is called the sold price. Yes, sale price of SP is equal to of skates is rupees of 1600. Okay, and discount is 20% off. Okay, so you write the according to question is SP is equal to CP minus discount. Okay, right. Now we will let the cost price of pair of skate is X. Okay, so you write according to question, they put the value is 16,000 is equal to the cost price is X minus discount on discount and all types tax on only CP. So this X of how many percent? 20%. X of 20%. Now solve. Now 16,100 is equal to X minus X into 20 upon 100. Okay, the cancel 0 cancel, the 1 is 5. It's mean 1600 is equal to X minus X upon 5. Okay, then 16,100 is equal to, after LCM is 5, is 5x minus x. It's mean equal to 16,000 is equal to 4 upon 5 x. 4 upon 5 x. Then 1600 into 5 upon 4 is equal to x. X is a cost price of 2 skate is 4 4 ja 16 is a 400 is a 400 into 5 is equal to x. Question number 10 is the purchase the hair dryer from 5400 and including the VAT. It is a new word of VAT. The VAT is a value added tax. Okay, and find the price before the VAT is the added. Okay, so you have write let is the it's the CP oblique SP. Okay, then the sale price, it's mean the sale price of hair dryer is rupees of 5400. Okay, and second will be given including is VAT, full BAT, VAT is the value added tax. Value added tax is given that 8%. Okay, let MRP oblique CP, okay, oblique original rate of hair dryer is rupees of X. Okay, is the rupees of X. According to question, what is the according to question? According to question is a sale price SP is equal to CP is plus any tax is called the VAT, is a value added tax, the value added tax. Okay, the CP is given that 5400, SP is a X and plus X of 8%. Okay, X of 8%, then be X of 8%, all tax on only bigger CP. Okay, so then the 5400 is equal to X plus is 8x upon 100. 8x upon 100 after cancellation is 4 upon 50 and 2 to 25. It's mean the final value is 5400 is equal to X plus 2x upon 25. 2x upon 25. After that the LCM is 25 is 25x plus 2x, then v is equal to 5400. Okay, 5400 is a SP of hair dryer, and then you write is 5400 is equal to 27x upon 25. Okay, then 5400 into 25 upon 27 is equal to value of X. One time there is a 2 times 200 times, then 200 into 25 is equal to value of X. Value of X is a rupees of 5000. It's mean the cost price, it is the cost price of hair dryer, the hair dryer is rupees of 5000. rupees of 5,000.
Peace.